He watched the sun sinking down in the bottom of the sky. He saw this daily, but never felt like this before. Till now, when he saw the redness of the sky, he hopped on his favorite swing, ground his beak, buried his face in his warm, soft feathers, and fell asleep. But now, there was something that he never felt before. Fear, sadness, pain, loneliness. Kuki, where are you? He recalled the time when they climbed the cage bars together, hopped upon the perches, and sang the songs. This morning, Rumi took their cage to this place and said, "My little friends, I have done so wrong to you, by keeping you in the cage till now. So, you are free to go now." And he opened the cage door. Kuki hopped down at the perch and peered outside. "Quill, let's see what's outside." She looked at him with shiny, excited eyes. "No, Kuki, I am afraid." "Don't worry. Let's fly high to the big sky." Kuki flew outside. He could not left Kuki alone. So, he followed her to a nearby tree. Quill watched Rumi, who smiled to them, waved at them, took a deep breath, and left. Quill sat on the tree, preening his green shiny feathers, while Kuki was swinging on the flexible branches. She was such a playful, such a lovely girl. She was not afraid of anything, because Quill was there to protect her. Quill looked at her with a love-filled gaze and began preening his feather. Suddenly, darkness spread everywhere. What was that? Then he heard screams of Kuki. His heart raced. The sound of flapping wings. No. As the light returned and he saw the mischievous claws of a crow clutching Kuki. "No, Kuki, I will protect you." Quill spread his wings and hit the crow like a bullet. But the crow's loud scream deafened his little ears, and the black, cruel beak cut his little back. And when he realized no one was there, except the spreading darkness. Ah, the burning, the pain from the injuries, the unbearable loss. What was that? Why all this happened? He looked around. But no one was there to answer his questions. The crowded park in the morning felt like a long-time abandoned place in the evening. He hid behind the leaves, tired, weak, and confused. The darkness was swallowing everything, but he had not eaten a single grain. How could he? There was no food bowl, nor a water bowl. Ah! His food bowl, that he used to bath in, throwing food everywhere. Oh! He really loved the seed bath. From the time that his eggshell cracked, he saw this cage as his home, his sweet, sweet home. He spent his life there, and he protected it from dangers. Even he warned Rumi not to come near, when his beloved Kuki was taking a nap. Whenever he watched the cat wandering outside the cage, he trembled with fear. What if he was outside of the cage? And now, he was outside of the cage. He slowly took cover behind a leaf. His eyelids were heavy with fatigue. It was complete darkness now. He could not even see his own little legs. Sleep slowly relaxed his little aching body, and every worry seemingly vanished in the darkness. When his eyes snapped open, he heard crunching of the leaves. He felt the sudden vibration of the branch that he was sitting upon. This vibration made his little body to tremble along. In the deep darkness, there were two glowing circles before him. His heart hit hardly on his ribs. He wanted to fly away, as fast as he can, but his wings were frozen, and his legs were weakened. Quill stared helplessly, as the glowing eyes came near, and near, and near. Then, a sharp pain in his back, the wetness of his own blood. Everything disappeared in the deep, deep darkness, and just a question remained there. Was that freedom?